your boy Malik. I see a little basketball in my hand. Come on now, you know what I'm saying? I can't kiss this shit, but you know, come on. And welcome back to a brand new video. Today we got Nas pulling up to the trench to Baltimore, and he shut that shit down. 1v1 versus Free Smoke. Is that? I don't know who. I don't think that's the name. I just think that's the name of his tour, Free Smoke Tour. Or subscribe to the channel, like, comment, turn the post bells. Matter of fact, push the post bell so you wouldn't miss any new video. Hopefully, you had a blessed weekend. You know what I'm saying? Let's get right to this vid. We got Nas pulling up to the trenches now.
Nah, but for real though, so Cat, what you been doing?
Uncle Scoot! Scoot, what up, my boy? Yeah!
I ain't succeed at that.
Yeah!
Off the win, I think I can get him 11-9, 11-10 maybe. It's gonna be a game. Like like I said, the content is gonna be there for both of us. So I'm gonna definitely show people like I could guard these young explosive guards. I mean, I could play.
We gonna see, cause you talking a whole lot of I'm saying a whole lot of nothing, bro. I don't know none of them. I don't know who Nas played. I don't know Nas personally. Of course I don't. Fuck. I don't know none of these niggas. But like, when you know how good of a basketball player you are, and niggas is talking, all you gotta do is sound good. It sound good. It sound good. You start talking a whole lot of bullshit. Not saying you talking a whole lot of BS. We ain't see the vid, but we about to see the vid. If you know you're a good ass basketball player, you know how good you are, you believe in yourself, bro. This shit sound good. Like whatever he's saying, that shit. It sound good.
I got a lot coming this game, so
he thinking like
it sound good.
I mean, you know, a player be caught like I said, but he young.
Nah, but let's get right to come on now.
Somebody
hey,
say
one
something.
thing I would say, I
y'all
think
call him a young boy.
a lot of people telling him that they like him, so he probably sleep just a little bit.
I'm one of them. In any hood, I'm comfortable in the trenches. Walk in your trap, take over your trap.
Alright. We ain't doing this vlog shit. Sorry, my boy. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? We ain't doing this vlog shit. Word. Y'all wanna see the original video? Y'all see the man. We here for buckets only, not vlogs. Buckets!
I can let a nigga say it for me though. I love that.
Niggas ain't get buckets. Don't send me no vid with no buckets. Come on, Terry. Yo, that Terry versus Moon vid. Oh my God. The atmosphere in that gym was so amazing, bro. It's like, oh my God. Like I said, I'm from NYC. I'm from New York, so I know what intense look like. I know what hood 1v1s look like. Feel me? Like, that's my bread and butter. Like, not saying I play, but I witness. Not word. Like, that's my bread and butter. That's my atmosphere right there. That loud, rowdy in the face. Niggas spitting. Not spitting on you personally, but, like, not trying to. But, like, niggas getting tight, mad, everything. Angry. You know what I'm saying? But when niggas get mad, niggas start playing for real.
Like, you got three. If you want offense, right? Y'all got 12 in the shot.
That's a good-ass basketball.
You gotta have
a rock. That's a good ball. That's like a street. One if you want basketball for real, for real. You really want to be technical.
I think you came in first, so you got some. All right, that's all.
You said you came in first?
All right. So, Jersey Tampa, I think you came in first, so you got some. All right, that's all.
Ah! Now, can you do that? Alright, Nas versus Cap. Come on now. Turn me up. Cause these vets be being biased and these vets be cheating sometimes. So turn me up. Nas get straight to it. Get straight to it. Trey ball. Trey ball. We here. Cap, put a hand up. Put a hand up, gang. We here. Already? What he doing? What he doing? Turn me up. Turn me up. Hey! I don't know. Who told you to play in 13s? Who told you to play in 13s? Who told you to play in 13s? That was a bad choice. Oh, step back. And one ref. Call that next time. Call that next time. Turn me up, Cat. Turn me up. Get some buckets. Thank you. Let me see something. Show me something. I don't know who you are. You gotta show me something. Okay. Foul ref. I ain't gonna, you ain't gonna blow your way out of this one. Alright! You ain't gonna bullet your way out of this one. You wanna get to the sideboard. You wanna get to the sideboard. Oh my god! Yo, boom! You call timeout, oh yeah, that's game. You call timeout already, it's 3-0. Yeah, that's game. That's game. That's game. That's game. You call timeout early. You call timeout early. Hey. Call timeout early. Step back. Cat, turn me up, bro. Turn me up. Turn me up. Turn me up. Cat, get straight to it. Get straight to it. Get straight to it. You should have popped in his mouth. You should have popped that shit in his mouth. Should have popped that shit in his mouth. Should not even dribble. You should not even dribble. You should have. Hey!
Need to stop here, Cat. Need to stop here.
Yeah, easy.
Call the foul.
Man, bro, you just punch that nigga. Bro, you gotta beat Nas up, bro. Like, that's probably like the only way you really gotta. You gotta be a dog. Oh, well, I can't say that because there'd be dogs who be losing. I mean, but you really just gotta beat him up. Like, but like when I mean beat him up, just keep. Nigga, he is too big. You know, so I was just keep fouling that nigga. Like, not like keep fouling him, bro. Damn. Trying to see if I don't know how. If I was a coach, right? And Nas is killing my team, I'm trying to see how can I fucking tell this nigga, like, how can you tell someone to stop Nas? This nigga is too big. It's like, bro, bully that nigga. Like, bro, coach, how you gonna bully him? I don't know, man. I'm just gonna have to double that nigga. 1v1 on an island? Oh my god. Oh my god. Step back. Crazy part is he don't do too much though. He a bully. It's like he really don't do too much. He do like at least like 2 moves and bully. Pull it. Pull it. Wow, come on. Come on. Come on. He knows it's foul. That's why he didn't argue. Look, he's gonna bully you, bro. He's bullying, bro.
3 fouls.
Like, since he's bigger than you, it's like, even if you try to put your body on him, bro, they're gonna call foul. They in the trenches, bro. You ain't go. Come on now, you can't call that. Come on, bro. You can't call that. Can't call that. They in the trenches. Can't call that. Can't call that.
I don't know.
Can't call that.
He got one more.
Can't call that.
One more.
Good ass, bro. Yeah.
Time out, Cat.
He lost.
Tap the money line every time.
He lost. Call timeout twice. Did it score?
5 seconds. God damn.
The bully.
Gotta find this nigga.
They bully. They bully. Did he though? Did he though? Did he really though? Come on, I got the film right here. Let's break it down.
5 seconds.
No, he never did.
God damn.
He never did.
Gotta find this nigga.
When you getting your ass whooped, you start saying anything. Word. When you getting your ass whooped, you start saying anything. 6-0. Come on, don't worry about nothing. Score. Don't worry about getting that ball back. You fouling, bro. Hold that, dummy. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! He ain't covered. In his mouth. Hold that, stupid. Light skin worm. Light skin worm. That's game?
I'm comfortable in the trenches. Walk in your trenches.
Congrats on the win.
Look forward.
Oh nah, he bust your ass, gang. Oh nah, bro, I told you I was old when he called timeout when it was 3-0. What are you calling timeout for? Is either you tired? Oh, you suck. he probably don't suck. I ain't seen that much work. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro. What's his name? Cat? If y'all got more videos of him, bro, send that shit to me. Cause I couldn't even, know what I'm saying? Like, this shit wasn't even fair. Like, my son had a donut. Like, I wanted to see son work. Now I was looking like he was, that nigga was giving that nigga cone work. That nigga's a walking cone. Right here with the beard, a walking cone. Cone work. Go through. I'm chatting, bro. That's the end of the bit, man. Comment down below, man. Big one to next now. Nah, this nigga look like this nigga like Sheen. Now that's the end of it, man. Roll to I'm about to say roll to something. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment, turn on post bells, matter of fact, punch it so you wouldn't miss any new video. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know my slogan. Y'all know my motto. Stay frosty, and you know what I'm saying. You're there.